How to block someone on Discord. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to block someone on Discord, what you need to do is first of all launch the Discord application on your device. As you launch the Discord application, simply make sure that you're logged into your account and also you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. Now what you can see is there are different profiles. So I have a friend over here. Now if you want to block this particular person, tap on the username or the profile over here. As you tap on the profile, what you can do is simply tap on their profile name at the top left corner, select on their profile again, and then tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. Here you get the option to block, so simply tap on the block option. And here simply tap on the block, as these will stop direct messages and they'll not be able to see your activity as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.